Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A31. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Extend the list, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually, enable or disable dark theme, night light, change its intensity, change wallpaper, change screen timeout between 15 seconds or never, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, enable or disable indicator light, set screensaver, and manage lock screen. For example, you can manage notifications on lock screen between show all notification, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. You can add text on lock screen and enable or disable show lockdown option. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.